Hey, good evening, everybody. It's beautiful out here in Arizona. It was 81 or 2 degrees here today. It's ridiculous. I actually have my air conditioner. It's been kicking on. Anyways, hey, let's take a look at the indoor plants. Haven't done an update in a while. Been kind of busy, Santa Claus and all that stuff. Yeah. All right. December 20th, Friday. Steak night here. I'm going to start the grilling the Walmart special. All right, feeling good over here. Let's take a look at the plants. All right, here we go. All from the same seed batch, all different phenos. It's some nice colas. They're not huge. These plants are, I've said it many times, genetically predisposed to just short little shits, man. Look at that one right there. I don't know if you probably haven't, but if you do remember back, this thing was as yellow as that. Look at this one's trying to make a comeback right here. This one smells amazing after you put your fingers through it. Yep. And this one has some really, I don't know, Jesus. Let's see, they sprouted October 16th. I mean, that's when they first broke ground, so I don't know how old they are. This one is just reaching up. They're all getting about the same light. This one is a little taller than the others. Hey, look at this one though. I'll tell you what, right now, this isn't much, but I love the smell of this thing. Oh, yes. I can't describe it to you, but it's sticky. All right. I use Fox Farms Happy Frog soil. They're 3-gallon pots. This is actually a redo from the first Grow 8, which I had in 5-gallon pots, and I took the soil, new soil, and tamped the shit out of it, and nothing wanted to sprout because, well, they couldn't. It was like coming through a concrete sidewalk, pushing their way, so they didn't develop. I tossed it all and started in 3-gallon pots. Nothing really grew. It was just so the soil's brand new. I really haven't done a whole lot. I never used a pH or any of that shit. I started this one doing all that. Fucked up. I fed them yesterday and I did pH afterwards, and had to do a little bit of adjusting to get it back to me. Hey, scare you. Let me come back the other way. I accidentally hit the button there. Whoa! Scary. To the girls here, and back to this. Yeah, I like the looks of that plant right there. Kind of a neat looking little thing. This one's, at least I've got my prescription glasses on. I wear most of the time, even at night, inside. It just, everything seems to look a lot better to me, especially when you're stoned. Which isn't a bad thing, people. Hell, everything was better with dope, pot. Alrighty, guys, you have a good one out there. Merry Christmas to everybody. And I'm going to end this on everybody's favorite time if you do it just right. So let me ramble on here a little bit. The trick is to end your video at 4:19 or cut it back, but that's a pain in the ass just to even chop something out of your video. Coming up to it, guys, TSW 2000 or Grows over here. Have a good evening. Later.